Cellphone.
Oh my God! Did you?
Nasaan yung ano ko? Yung sakit? Nandyan, Kuya Glenn?
Sakit?
Oo, yung saksakan.
Ayan, ayan. Ayun. Ma'am, from Tok Tok. Hindi have delivery. Ma'am, from Tok Tok. You have delivery, ma'am. Tok Tok sa'yo. Tok Tok. Tok Tok delivery. Ma'am.
Why did you hold this so tight? I was trying to open it, did not open.
This Tok Tok, ma'am. This delivery.
Delivery guy.
Delivery guy.
Oh my God!
Yes, please, come inside. Nice guy, nice guy.
Inside? Okay, inside. Where?
Here, I have already made
Ah, prepared already.
Oh
Yes.
my God!
Pre-delivery. Diba? Receipt. Ma'am, can I take picture for receipt because you will send to our company? No, gano'n, di ba? Oh, thank you so much. Receipt. Thank you.
Alisa, can I give you cash to
Kabayan, magandang gabi po. Dito na nato tayo ng Tok Tok Saigon. Meron na naman tayo isang kabayan na na-deliveran. Pre-delivery. Just download the application, then we'll deliver. Pre-delivery, right? Tok Tok. Tok Tok. Alone? Are you feeling sad? Wait no more. Amazing ladies here. Tok Tok.
Oh my
Application.
God!
Pre-delivery.
Did you?
See you.